Sierra Kilo Tango, this is KC9VKV. Do you copy me all right?
Kilo Tango, this is KC9VKV. Do you copy me all right?
Yes, sir, I do. Yes, 10-4. Roger, roger.
Roger. Are you copying me on your local antenna, or are you using an SDR?
Roger. Are you copying me on your local antenna, or are you using an SDR?
I'm on a local antenna.
Yes, sir. Okay. SKT, what's your name there?
Yes, sir. Okay. SKT, what's your name there?
The name here is Charles.
Alrighty, Charles, and where are you located, sir?
Alrighty, Charles, and where are you located, sir?
I am located in Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Roger, roger, Charles in Tennessee, and what radio are you running today, sir?
Roger, roger, Charles in Tennessee, and what radio are you running today, sir?
I am using a 706 Mark II G.
Roger, roger, Charles. Well, gosh, if you'd be interested in our setup procedure, first, let's see if I can get a little bit better copy on you. Why don't you give me about 10 seconds and tell me about your antenna system so I can look around and see if I can find a better path for us, Roger?
System, so I can look around and see if I can find a better path for us, Roger?
Roger.
Alrighty, Charles, I've got you about 3 dB over Georgia SDR level. I'm using a Georgia SDR, and you're about 3 dB over their noise level. So I do have a copy on you. If you would be interested in our setup procedure, it starts with you verifying that you're in the 100 to 2900 bandpass. If you don't know where that is, why don't you just take a note for later to double check to be sure you're operating in the 100 to 2900 transmit bandpass. Roger?
The 100 to 2900 transmit bandpass. Roger?
Roger, yes. I do not know where the bandpass is, so yes, I will do that.
Alrighty, note 2 then would be let's go to your compressor if we can do that. Compressor on and add a 3. Compression on and add a 3 out of 10, 30 out of 100. We're just looking for a third of the compression capability, Roger?
Just looking for a third of the compression capability, Roger?
Roger. Yes, I've got the compression on, and I am on number 3 on the mic gain.
Well, not the mic gain, but the compression input. You should be on your compressor input at a 3. On and add a 3 on your compressor, Roger?
Compressor input at a 3. On and add a 3 on your compressor, Roger?
Well, I don't have any numbers on my compression, not on this 706. Or at least I don't know where they are.
I see. Well, what kind of, do you just have an on or off button for that compressor?
What kind of, do you just have an on or off button for that compressor?
Roger, roger.
All right. Well, turn it on, and we'll just play with it that way. Sometimes the audacity of manufacturers just astounds me that they can just say, well, we're going to give it to you, but it's on our conditions, so we're just going to put a switch. You got nothing to say about it, Charlie. Just hit a switch. That's all you got. But anyway, hit that switch, turn her on, and let's see where we go, Roger.
But anyway, hit that switch, turn her on, and let's see where we go, Roger.
Roger, roger. Yes, I have it on, and I don't know, and I have the mic gain on 3.
Don't worry about the mic gain. The mic gain is only important as it affects the ALC, let's go to that now. Go to your ALC meter with mic gain in hand, and as you say the magic word audio, audio, spoken just as you would speak any other word in a QSO. Don't stress it, just say it. Audio, with mic gain in hand, and adjust the mic gain until your ALC meter reads mid-scale to 2/3. Roger?
Your ALC meter reads mid-scale to 2/3. Roger?
Roger. Well, I don't know where that ALC gain mic control is. I really don't know where it is.
Yes, sir. Okay. I think this is the third note. Note number 3. When you find out where your ALC is, bring it up, and as you say the word audio, spoken just as you would speak any other word on your QSO, don't stress it, just say it, and adjust that audio until with your mic gain until your ALC meter reads mid-scale to 2/3. So that's note 3. Roger, Roger.
Reads mid-scale to 2/3. So that's note 3. Roger, Roger.
Roger, Roger.
Alrighty, and so why don't you tell me about the best thing you like about your radio, and let me listen to your EQ.
Tell me about the best thing you like about your radio, and let me listen to your EQ.
Well, I don't really know what I like the best about the radio. Well, I'm visually impaired, so I like the screen on it. It's big enough for me to see if I get close enough. So, and this Icon 706 is easy to program.
Yes, sir. Okay, I've listened to your EQ, and what we might do here is when you get a chance and you can go to your equalization page, I want you to crank in 2 clicks additional treble EQ and 2 clicks additional bass EQ. Because right now you're pretty mid-rangey, so if we give a couple of clicks top end treble boost and a couple of clicks of bass boost, that should help broaden out your EQ curve. Roger?
Should help broaden out your EQ curve. Roger?
Roger? Roger, well, I'll have to see if it's in the settings, because I've never come over those, but I will check the manual and see if it exists on this radio.
Yes, sir. Now, what type of mic are you using there, Charles?
Yes, sir. Now, what type of mic are you using there, Charles?
I am using a boom mic off of a headset that I bought on Amazon.
Okay, are you using it as a headset, a boom on a headset?
Using it as a headset, a boom on a headset?
Roger, Roger.
Okay, so the best way to run that is to take that mic and go straight out in front of you as far as that mic will go, and then make a 90-degree. In other words, what we want to do is try to get the diaphragm of the microphone furthest away from your lips as possible. So if you can manipulate that boom on the headset to where it goes straight out in front of you, and then at the last minute take a 90. Roger?
In front of you, and then at the last minute take a 90. Roger?
Roger, Roger. I just did what you just told me to do, and I don't know if it made it any better.
Yes, sir. Now, what you'll need to do, again, is tell me what your mic level is at the moment. And is it a 0 to 10 on your mic input level?
And is it a 0 to 10 on your mic input level?
Roger, Roger.
All right, so put it on about a 5. Put it on about a 5 now, and let me hear you.
Put it on about a 5. Put it on about a 5 now, and let me hear you.
We have it at a 5 now.
All right, and tell me about, let's see, tell me about your antenna system there.
Let's see, tell me about your antenna system there.
All right, I have a 49 to 1 NSAID antenna, and I have a 91 NSAID 91 antenna that I bought on Amazon.
Yeah, I think that's going to fly like that. I'd run it just like that. I wish I had a better copy on you, but your ballistics look about 3 dB, and that's what we were looking for to fatten you up, Roger.
That's what we were looking for to fatten you up, Roger.
Roger. Well, I appreciate all the help. Thank you very much.
That's it, Charles. Now, obviously, though, when you run your ALC, ALC for that radio is your Bible. It will tell you more about what's going on than your best friend down the road. So, I'm just taking a shot at your mic level at 5. But what I want you to do when you find your ALC, bring it up, and then as you speak, like you would speak in an EQSO, you say the word audio. Adjust that mic until your ALC meter is running mid-scale to 2/3, and you will be perfectly set. Roger?
It's running mid-scale to 2/3, and you will be perfectly set. Roger?
Roger. Okay, I will check out the manual and see if I can find it.
All right, Charles, 73, sir. You have a great afternoon, beautiful weekend. If you want to hear your audio, if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for KC9VKV, followed by the word logbook, that will take you to our Qso-Vlog recordings. This will be cut number 1 of a series of 2,200 Qso-Vlog recordings, and I'll have it uploaded by noon tomorrow. Roger?
Qso-Vlog recordings, and I'll have it uploaded by noon tomorrow. Roger?
Roger. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. 73, sir. This is the Qso-Vlog Friday afternoon net, and we're about to run out of time here, so I've got room for one more. If you have a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.
I've got room for one more. If you have a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.